At the base of Camelback Mountain, the Cooks built their winter mansion, and the estate was completed in 1929. In 1940, the home was converted into an inn, building 15 more casitas into the expansion. By mid-century, the Royal Palms had some strong, famous faces, such as Frank Sinatra performing here, and my godfather, Big Caesar.
Hello. Will you join me? Here's our beautiful casita at the Royal Palms. Welcome to our place. There's that.
This Mediterranean dream is a hidden oasis in the middle of the desert. You really feel like you're staying in a European home.
Beanie. Hey, come here.